Hello, thank you for viewing 4th grade's Title I night for Patterson Elementary. The 4th grade teachers are Lisa Kicklighter, Math and Science, Angeline Thuman, ELA and Social Studies, Samantha Stone, Math and Science, Dana Taylor, ELA and Social Studies. Your child will take the STAR Math Assessment a couple times during the school year. Each time he or she takes it, she will be labeled or he will be labeled as a distinguished learner, proficient learner, developing learner, or a beginning learner. At the start of the year, to be considered a distinguished learner, he or she should score at 1045 or above. To be considered a proficient learner, he or she would need to score at or above a 990. To be considered developing, he or she would score currently below a 990. And to be considered a beginning learner at this time of the year, he or she would score a 921 or below. At the end of the spring, we will retake this test. To be considered a distinguished learner at that assessment time, he or she would need to score at 1097 or above. To be considered a proficient learner, he or she would need to score at or above a 1041. To be considered a developing learner, he or she would score below a 1041, and to be considered a beginning learner, he or she would score below a 973. Your child's STAR score will be shared with you very soon. When this information is sent home with your child, we will post this announcement on Living Tree and or on Facebook group. So you will know to be on the lookout for your child's score.
Math practice sites that you can use at home with your children. Number one, you can go to YouTube and search for Engage New York. If we're working, let's say, in Module 2 at that time, you could search Grade 4, Module 2, Lesson 1, and those will have videos that will help you see how they're learning to do the math with the Eureka Math lessons. Number two that you can do at home is you can log in to Zearn through their Clever account. They have videos and practices that parallels with our Eureka Math lessons. There's a certain number of lessons in each module, and of course we do encourage our students to complete those modules as we're working on them in class, and we will be providing rewards for the kids that meet those goals. Number three, you can use Reflex, which again is a login website through Clever. They can practice their multiplication and division facts using Reflex. And that is, again, three things that you can do at home if you have access to these websites. And our teacher contact information, Miss Lisa Kicklighter at lkicklighter@pierce.k12.ga.us, Miss Samantha Stone at pierce.k12.ga.us. Please feel free to email us at any time or to message us through Living Tree. Thank you.